This Sledge Hammer. Who is he?
Definitely, in the beginning, I had no intention whatsoever that what I was practicing would lead to this. But
a two-door electric sports car, or I should say supercar, with absurd specs, world record acceleration, just filthy numbers. This would be the flagship smackdown to all gas cars.
Yes, I'm gonna knock it down, beat you up, read your rights.
It's running straight though now. It's crazy how it's running straight right now. I better bring it in, check temps.
Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, the braking power on that strong, dude. You hear it? Like,
See if it's hot.
that's too cold, man.
Ain't even budging, huh?
Yeah. How did the batteries hold up? Okay. No codes, nothing. Solid.
Not too bad, huh? Let's do a 100-mile-an-hour run with this car.
On a piece of your
Mark, get set, go.
Oh, dude, you guys are one hell of a driver. You're straight, man.
He was like, holy shit, dude's gonna hit me.
I wonder how his face.
139.